Arizona Attorney General Mark Brnovich. His state and more than 20 others are suing the Biden administration over this whole issue of Title 42. He's also running the GOP primary for U.S. Senate. The winner of that will then face Senator Mark Kelly, which is a closely watched race as well. General Brnovich, thank you very much for being here. I'm wondering if this decision yesterday by this federal district judge in Louisiana that keeps Title 42 in place, at least for now, isn't behind the walls of the White House a little bit of a relief for them.
Yeah, thank you, Martha, for having me on. And look, the consequences of a broken Congress have been, dangerous or devastating our community for years. And now, as a result of these failed Biden administration policies and a Democrat in the White House, people in this country are literally dying. And so I can't worry about the politics of, whether Title 42, our office arguing that case, our office leading the lawsuit, whether that somehow helps the Biden administration politically. What I am trying to do is protect hardworking Americans and hardworking Arizonans against the flood of illegal immigration and illegal drugs coming into this country. And Title 42 is one of the last tools we have in our toolbox to prevent the system from being overwhelmed even more.
Yeah, so when you listen to this memo that Mark Meredith just reported on from Alejandro Mayorkas, the head of DHS, calling for more supplies and more personnel to the border, does that give you any sense of confidence at this point? Because a lot of folks have been, even Democrats have been saying, we need to see the plan. How's this going to work?
Yeah, I think this is cheap political theater, quite frankly, because the reality is you can, even hire more Border Patrol agents, but when you have an administration and enablers like Cartel Kelly in the U.S. Senate that essentially are allowing them to decriminalize and incentivize people breaking the law, it really won't matter at the end of the day. Yeah, do we need more resources? Do we need more patrol agents? Should it be troubling to American taxpayers that the Biden administration wants to spend more money on green energy and, bogus environmental projects and securing our border? Yeah, that's all troubling. But at the end of the day, this country is about the rule of law. And that means that we have to have people in public office, especially the executive branch, following the law. And so whether it's failure to, deport people, deportation orders, we sued Biden over, whether it's they're trying to incentivize people by giving welfare benefits to non-citizens, which a case I heard at the Supreme Court just recently, or whether it's what they're doing now with Title 42, there is a consistent pattern where what they are trying to do is to systematically undermine the law and empower the cartels. So at the end of the day, I am very dubious and skeptical of anything coming out of the Biden administration and anything that's coming out of his spokespeople or whoever's speaking in his earpiece.
All right, real quickly, because I have to go. You are running for the GOP Senate nomination in Arizona. A lot of people scrambling for the support and endorsement of former President Trump. Do you think that you will get that endorsement, and do you need it?
I'm not sure what's going to happen, Martha. All I know is that I grew up here in Arizona. I'm a public school kid. I was a gang prosecutor. I worked at a free market think tank. I am a principled Arizona conservative. And as you know, we were just talking about, I'm a doer. I've actually been involved in every major fight, not only against the Biden administration, but the Obama administration before. So if people want a principled Arizonan, if they want someone that understands that Washington, D.C. is not the answer to our problems, but it is the problem, then I'm their candidate, and I welcome the support of everyone.
One last try on that. Do you think that it will matter in your race who is supported by the former President Trump? Will it matter?
I don't know. At the end of the day, I have a real record. I've actually have results, and I welcome the support of everyone and anyone because we need a principled Arizonan representing us in the U.S. Senate.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Attorney General Brnovich, good to have you with us today. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So let's check in with